Hi, Tom. Can you pass me the pie, please? It is Christmas now. You all must decorate. It is now the JAMAALIDAYS. You all must be ready. See, now they're all crowding me, so maybe everybody is accepting the fact that it is, in fact, the JAMAALIDAYS now. What's up, Jammers? It's Heatpie here, and welcome back to another Animal Jam video. So, yeah, guys, it's the JAMAALIDAYS. Y'all better be celebrating and getting your Christmas on and all that. I want to see everybody's dens decorated hard with all that Christmas stuff. Guys, I'm so excited. This is my favorite holiday ever. Like, I'm obsessed with the JAMAALIDAYS. Like, I haven't even been on Instagram for the JAMAALIDAYS yet, so you guys are going to find out how much I am amazing at decorating for the JAMAALIDAYS and how much I love spreading that cheer. Alright, we're gonna go her first. Or him, I don't know. Rude? Okay. Well, we'll go to Foxy Pants 07. Yeah, we'll go there. Let's go. Yes. See, even that says it's time for the JAMAALIDAYS. Well, they're obviously not coming, so we're going to Cold Drink 44. Rude? Okay, we'll send them a jamagram instead. What is this? No! Wrong. Okay, now we must find a JAMAALIDAYS one. This is offending me. Oh, we'll use Mount Chevere, since Mount Chevere is... Yes. Okay. We'll send that out. Good. Now they know. Guys, I'm popular! I have somebody in my den. Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's find out. Also, that is beautiful. I love it. This is so cute. Okay. Hey! Perhaps now they know. Okay. Let's go. Let's spread the cheer, guys. Guys, they're all in the festive outfit. Festivity. JAMAALIDAYS. Yes. See, at least somebody thinks so. Yes. We must celebrate. Yes. I'm so excited though because I'm getting a drawing table tomorrow. Ooh, that's awesome. Yeah. See guys, look at that cheer. Ooh, digital. Yes. They're saying hi, Mom. Okay. Well, shout out to Cool Drink 44's mom if you're watching. Yes. You're amazing. Y'all must celebrate now. Let's look. This was decorated last year, and this was actually on the Epic Dens. I don't honestly even remember what it's decorated with. If I would not be lagging. So we've got some masterpieces. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm going to be trying my hardest to decorate this in a video. And also I'm going to also be trying my hardest to at least upload. I need to make a festival look. Yes! Yes. Correct. I'm going to also be trying to make this video amazing. And not only that, I will be trying to upload at least every other day during the JAMAALIDAYS because I feel like it's super important because the JAMAALIDAYS holds a special place in my heart. So it should definitely be celebrated. You happy now, Gingerbread? You happy? Look at this JAMAALIDAY outfit. Oh, yes. Oh, this tent is so, like, not very well decorated, but, like, it got on the Epic Den list somehow last year. So, I was happy to get on. And also, this masterpiece got so many likes, it wasn't even funny. Ugh. Please? I'm so laggy right now. Ugh. Ugh. Just gonna enjoy these cookies. Gonna enjoy them. So this is about going to wrap it up for the first video of my JAMAALIDAY journey with you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know. And with that, jam on!